One of the important aspects of the Center for Nanoscience is that it endeavors to bring together people from different disciplines or subdisciplines, attempt things that individuals can't quite cope with on their own in the hope of having bigger outcomes. Moet is certainly more of a biologist, but he has emerged to be more of a businessman than any of us.
I wanted to get some experience doing research, and I found his research in the field of antimicrobials really interesting, so I joined his lab.
Work we started involved both chemists and biologists. Dr. Nagin got her PhD with me working on a slightly different project, and then stayed on as a postdoc.
I was doing related work in the lab. My background isn't in chemistry or biology. I have some in chemistry, but my degree's in electrical engineering.
I suggested that he work in my laboratory since he had worked there as a high school student and published some papers. These three people were working with me on this particular project.
One of the big problems right now is antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Through years of using antibiotics, bacteria have become resistant to these antibiotics that were designed to kill them. We in Dr. George Gokel's lab have developed a technology that uses this new class of chemical molecules that increases the efficacy of antibiotics. And my interest was more to take how this technology could help people out in the real world. One of the ways to do that was to establish a company.
Which we did, and he wanted to call it Upaya Pharmaceuticals.
Upaya stands for remedy, not only in terms of medicine, but also in any sense.
When we realized that we had potential to develop it, we applied for a FastTrack grant from the university.
And then we went to Columbia to pitch our technology to the committee. Next day we heard that we did get the $50,000 from the FastTrack grant, which was really exciting. It's highly unique in a sense where Saida is a chemist, I'm a biologist. We come together, work on the same project, and it develops something that it's not only valuable to both of us, but a lot of people around us too. And also having Dr. Gokel guide us how to work together, how to do the research, how to think of maybe something that we haven't thought of. Having his experience and knowledge and every aspect of it helps us a lot.